Okay, so there are some questions about the test, the second midterm. Okay, what I recommend, go back to the examples we covered in class, without looking at the solutions and like the notes. See if you can quickly formulate them. Okay, and try those different logic statements that we covered in the class and also like in the homework. See if you can quickly reformulate those problems. Okay. And as I said, those very basic constraints like the minimum order size problem, say like if this project has to be chosen, the other one has to be chosen. All those kind of basic constraints, if you can remember them, it helps you to formulate a complex problem quickly. But if you don't remember them, it's fine. You can still formulate them from scratch. Okay, you just like memorizing them and being able to recognize different kind of like patterns of problem will help for the next test. Okay. Format will be the same, multiple choices and the problems. And if you want to have an open book exam, then probably there will be more problems and less multiple choices. And if you want to have a closed book, then will be similar to the previous one. Okay, so if it's open book, then more problems and less multiple choices part. And as I said, for open book and closed book, the problems won't be. It's like it won't help that much if you open your textbook to find, because when you open the textbook you won't find exactly the same kind of a problem given in the test. Okay, it's like the puzzle. You flip your book and there is nothing you can find, right? Unless you know how to formulate, how to define the decision variables, how to formulate the constraints. And if you remember, oh okay, so here there is like a similar pattern, that's probably like the minimum order size, but I don't remember. Then you go to the book to see, okay, what's that constraint? Okay, so that's probably what the open book will help. But it won't help that much because there won't be exactly the same type of problem given in the test. Okay, so you can, and I would say having an open book test probably like ease some of the pressure. So for some of you guys who really have like a difficulty when you go to test and you blank out because of the pressure anxiety level, then maybe open book will make it easier for you. But it won't be like say, okay, impossible to solve, because that's what kind of like your impression on that open book test, right? It won't be impossible to solve.
Will be the same.
Difficulty will be probably similar, but with more emphasis on the problem part, on the problem solving skills. Okay, because like the multiple choices part usually say there are some concepts I need to test, right? Yeah, and those concepts you can find them from the book if you're familiar with the book and the and then the notes. So there will be more emphasis on the problem part.
It's open book, it's only textbook or anything?
If it's open book, literally anything. Yeah, but you won't have much time to search them either. Okay, like the last test, most of you take almost all the time, right? To finish it. Okay, so don't, even if it's an open book, maybe you will just use the book for one of two parts that you don't remember. Then go to the book to take a look. Okay, and probably I see it as a positive just because it maybe ease the anxiety. Okay, so I'll put a survey, I mean a choice here on the Moodle, so you guys can choose open or close later. Okay, or go with the majority mode. Okay, so that's a midterm, and we need to give them time to do the presentation. Yeah.
How much time do you have for the test? Since we
How much time? Around 2 hours, or a little less than 2 hours. Similar to last time. Last time is 110 minutes, right? This time similar.
So can we start earlier so that we can catch the GTA?
Yeah, I'm thinking about that too.
But
But
that doesn't start until 4, right?
3:30.
At 4 they are going to start to present the award. Yeah, I want to be there at 4 too. So if we start at 2 and finish at 3:50, we can go there.
I think the food is served at 3:30. So 1:30 to 3:30.
Yeah, the food part is more.
It's the most important part of the ceremony.
You want to have the test earlier?
So we
Yeah,
make
at
the
one.
food good.
Can you guys come earlier?
Yes.
I don't know who, Jeff has class, I know.
Yeah, Jeff will arrange the
Yeah.
test at night again.
What about
If
you?
that work for you.
The same with Jeff.
Okay. Okay.
What time?
It's 2, 3, but last time because I asked him to give me off, so this time I can't ask him again.
Okay.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
really busy right
If
now.
you can come and or arrange something for you because there are other students.